Did you notice that sentiment for hardware has spiked to plus 0.45, with momentum at plus 0.18? This is significantly above historical averages, indicating a shift in sentiment that we haven't seen in a while. What's particularly interesting is that this uptick coincides with the emergence of 18 distinct semantic clusters, suggesting diverse influences driving this change. By leveraging our API, you can get real-time insights into sentiment shifts, including detailed sentiment scores, momentum, and related semantic themes. For example, if you're building a product that monitors consumer sentiment for new hardware releases, this data can help you identify emerging trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. To dive deeper, check out the documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Understanding these fluctuations can give you a competitive edge in your development efforts.